Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to bring you a very special 1/6 scale figure from DID. The D80180 World War II German WH mine detector, Jürgen Neumann. Let's unbox it together and take a closer look at the details, accessories, and the fascinating history behind this character. As always, DID has never let me down when it comes to packaging and product presentation. The box feels solid, the printing is sharp, and it immediately gives a premium impression right from the start. First, when opening the box, we can see a background sheet set right behind the box lid. Here you can easily find more details through the manufacturer's QR code, as well as direct access to the assembly instruction video that is printed on it. Next, we have the head sculpt, which is beautifully crafted with impressive detail, capturing a very realistic expression. Along with it comes the World War II German M43 uniform and the camo trousers, perfectly representing the style of that era. What makes it even more special is the pair of brown boots, made from real leather, giving a premium and authentic feel to the figure. As for the weapon, the figure comes with a finely crafted K98 rifle, made from real wood and metal for maximum realism. Along with it is an ammunition pouch made of genuine leather, completing the authentic World War II German engineer loadout in remarkable detail. In addition, the figure also includes several other accessories, such as the iconic M43 field cap worn by German soldiers, and the classic bread bag, both recreated with great attention to detail, making the overall set even more complete. The next highlight is the Wien 41 mine detector, crafted from a combination of metal and plastic. As you can see, DID paid great attention to the internal details, faithfully replicating the structure of the device. This is definitely a big plus, proving that the brand continues to improve and push forward in terms of quality and craftsmanship. We also have several smaller accessories, such as a brown leather pouch for storing mine-clearing tools, along with medals and insignia. What truly stands out to me is the mine-clearing tool set, which DID has recreated with incredible attention to detail. This includes wire cutters, needle nose pliers, scissors, knife spanner wrench, crimpers, tongs, insulating tape, isolier band, a German folding ruler, and even a thread spool. DID left almost nothing out, making the level of realism in this set nearly perfect. Next, we also get a combat engineer shovel, featuring a metal blade with a wooden handle, along with a finely crafted leather cover. In addition, there is a plastic mine detection tool, designed to be assembled into 4 separate sections, accurately reflecting the real structure and providing collectors with an even more authentic experience. Moving on, we have a metal probe needle, designed in 3 detachable sections for flexibility. Along with it comes a leather Y strap, and a German bayonet crafted from metal with a genuine leather scabbard. Other accessories include the mine detector control headphones made of plastic, a WH leather belt, a pair of gray gloves, and several interchangeable hands with different poses for dynamic display options. Overall, the DID D80180 World War II German WH mine detector is an incredibly impressive set. From the head sculpt, uniform, and real leather boots, to the wide range of detailed engineer accessories such as the Wien 41 mine detector, shovel, bayonet, and various mine clearing tools. Everything is recreated with near-perfect accuracy. This figure truly showcases meticulous craftsmanship, excellent finishing quality, and strong long-term collectible value. And now, let's take a closer look at the figure on the turntable before equipping all the accessories to complete the full German combat engineer loadout.